The toughest sentence handed out for the death of Elijah McClain is no more. Breaking news this afternoon, a judge decided 5 years was too long for paramedic Peter Cichuniec. It's a development, a big one, in a case that's garnered international attention. The prosecutors who tried the case say they are disappointed in the decision to convert this to 4 years of probation. The mother of Elijah McClain says she's not surprised.
9 News investigative reporter Chris Vanderveen's been covering this case for years. Turns out it's kind of a procedural question that the court was answering today.
It is, and it's based upon the judge's interpretation of state law, and this is what it comes all down to. Courts can modify certain sentences after a defendant has served at least 119 days. Cichuniec has now spent more than that in prison, and thus his attorney made the request last month. In a court filing, prosecutors called this procedural move the escape hatch, noting that it's exceptionally rare, only used 22 times since 1977 in this judicial district. Cichuniec pled with the judge back when he was sentenced in early March, telling the packed courtroom he wished he could go back and make changes that would have saved Elijah McClain's life. The 5-year sentence was by far the toughest sentence for any of the 2 paramedics and 1 officer found guilty for their roles in the 2019 death. McClain stopped breathing shortly after paramedics injected him with ketamine. His mother told 9 News today she expected the leniency, adding, quote, "I'm not surprised at all. None of those involved have escaped divine judgments against them. I'm sure those sentences won't be televised." So now 5 years in prison is converted to 4 years of probation. Fellow paramedic Jeremy Cooper received 14 months of work release. Aurora police officer Randy Rodema received 14 months in jail. In this case, prosecutors had successfully argued to both the jury and judge that Cichuniec's decision to give McClain too much ketamine for his weight was critical in justifying this tougher sentence. The Colorado Attorney General prosecuted this case this afternoon. A spokesperson for the office said that the office was disappointed in the decision, but still respects it.
It's hard to hear that it's procedural, certainly for a lot of folks in Aurora who have been following this case for the family of Elijah McClain, who, I mean, they're deflated. This is a bit of a gut punch.
This is tough because they weren't satisfied with these decisions regardless.
That's right.
And now this decision of 5 years in prison to be taken away just to probation. Yes, absolutely a lot of disappointment tonight.
All right, Chris, thank you.